Imagine you're scrolling through your Grab app, about to order a ride or maybe grab some food. You're ready to pay, but then you're hit with a question: where's my GrabPay account number? It's a common dilemma. You know you have a GrabPay account, you've probably used it before, but when you need the number, it seems to vanish. So, let's dive into the world of GrabPay and uncover the secret to finding your account number. GrabPay is essentially your digital wallet within the Grab app. It's where you store your money to make payments for rides, food deliveries, and more. Think of it like your virtual bank account. Finding your account number. Now, let's get to the point. How do you find that elusive GrabPay account number? Open the Grab app. The first step is obvious. Open the Grab app on your smartphone. Tap on My Grab. Look for the My Grab section. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen. Select Wallet. Within the My Grab section, you'll find a tab or option labeled Wallet. Tap on it. Locate the account number. Once you're in your wallet, look for a section that displays your GrabPay balance. Right next to or below your balance, you should see your GrabPay account number. It's usually displayed as a series of numbers. Why do you need your account number? You might be wondering why you'd ever need your GrabPay account number. Well, there are a few scenarios where it might come in handy. Manual payments. In some cases, you might need to enter your account number manually, such as when making a payment outside the Grab app. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues with your GrabPay account, providing your account number can help customer support assist you more efficiently. Security. Knowing your account number is essential for managing your GrabPay account and ensuring its security. Tips and tricks. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Save your account number. Once you find your account number, consider saving it somewhere safe for future reference. You can take a screenshot, write it down, or store it in a password manager. Check for updates. Grab might occasionally update their app, which could slightly change the layout or location of certain features. If you can't find your account number, try updating your app to the latest version. So, there you have it. Finding your GrabPay account number is a simple process that involves a few taps on your smartphone. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to locate your account number and use GrabPay to its full potential. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about GrabPay or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.